Top 6 safe snacks to lower creatinine and improve your kidney health. What if the snacks you're eating every day are quietly putting stress on your kidneys and you don't even know it? Or worse, what if just a few simple swaps could actually lower your creatinine and help your kidneys function better starting today? Most people think they have to give up everything tasty to support kidney health. But that's not true, and in this video you're going to discover 6 powerful, safe snacks that are not only delicious, but they're backed by real science to help protect and heal your kidneys naturally. Every tip you'll hear today has been carefully fact-checked by experienced health researchers, so you can trust you're getting accurate, reliable information, not guesses, not fads. And make sure you stay until the very end, because snack number 6 is a surprising powerhouse that most people overlook, yet it could be the missing piece in your kidney healing journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Apple slices with unsalted almond butter. Now this one might surprise you with how simple and delicious it is. Apple slices with unsalted almond butter are not just a sweet and crunchy snack, they're also incredibly kidney-friendly. Let's break it down. Apples are naturally low in potassium and phosphorus, which is exactly what your kidneys need when they're struggling to filter waste. And you know what else? They're packed with fiber, especially pectin, that's a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce cholesterol and even manage blood sugar. That means less work for your kidneys and more control over your overall health. Now let's talk about that almond butter, but make sure it's unsalted. Salt is one of the worst things for weak kidneys, but unsalted almond butter. It's a great source of plant-based protein, magnesium, and healthy fats, and it gives you that satisfying richness without spiking your sodium. Here's the best part: you don't need much. Just slice up half an apple, dip it or spread a thin layer of almond butter on top, and that's it. It tastes indulgent, but it's actually working for your kidneys, not against them. And if you're craving something mid-morning or after dinner, this snack keeps your energy steady without weighing you down. No guilt, no stress, just clean, kidney-loving nutrition in every bite. So next time you open the fridge looking for something to nibble on, grab that apple and pair it with a little unsalted almond butter. Your kidneys will thank you, and your taste buds will too. Number 2. Cucumber sticks with hummus. Now this one is a total game changer: simple, crunchy, and seriously good for your kidneys. I want you to picture this: a cool, refreshing slice of cucumber dipped into creamy, savory hummus. Not only does it taste amazing, but this combo is packed with kidney-friendly nutrients that can help lower creatinine and support better kidney function. Let's start with cucumbers. They're over 95% water, which means they help hydrate your body naturally and flush out excess waste. And for your kidneys, that's huge. When your kidneys are working overtime, hydration is one of the best ways to give them a break. Cucumbers are also very low in potassium and phosphorus, so they're safe even for those with later-stage kidney issues. Plus, they have antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress that can damage your kidneys over time. Now let's talk about the hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, and these little legumes are a powerhouse. They give you plant-based protein, fiber, and a ton of important minerals without overwhelming your kidneys. But here's the key: choose a low-sodium hummus. Or even better, make your own at home so you can control the salt. All you need is cooked chickpeas, a little garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and tahini. Blend it up and boom, you've got a creamy, kidney-friendly dip. Together, cucumber sticks and hummus give you the perfect balance of hydration, healthy fat, fiber, and clean protein all in one snack. And let's be honest, they're super satisfying. You can keep a bowl of sliced cucumber in the fridge and a small container of hummus ready to go. It's the kind of snack that feels like you're treating yourself, but you're actually doing something powerful for your health. So next time that afternoon craving hits, don't reach for chips or cookies. Grab some cucumber sticks, dip into that smooth hummus, and feel good knowing every bite is helping support your kidneys. You deserve to feel better, and this snack is one small, delicious step in the right direction. Number 3. Unsalted rice cakes with mashed avocado. Now this one right here might just become your new go-to snack because it's not only fast and tasty, it's also incredibly gentle on your kidneys. Unsalted rice cakes with mashed avocado. That's it. Simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. This combo is packed with benefits that can actually help your kidneys function better and lower your creatinine over time. Let's start with the rice cakes. And I'm talking about plain, unsalted rice cakes, not the ones coated in flavor powders or loaded with hidden sodium. These are light, low in potassium, phosphorus, and protein, which makes them a perfect base for anyone trying to protect their kidneys. They give you that satisfying crunch without stressing your system. No extra work for your kidneys, just clean energy. Now the star of the show? That creamy, delicious mashed avocado. This little fruit, yes, it's a fruit, is full of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. And even though avocados have a bit of potassium, here's the trick: portion control. Just 2 to 3 thin slices, or about 2 tablespoons of mashed avocado, is enough to give you the benefits without overloading your potassium levels. It's all about balance. And let's be honest, there's something really comforting about the combo. That crispy base paired with smooth, rich avocado, it hits the spot. Sprinkle a pinch of garlic powder or a squeeze of lemon juice on top, and you've got a snack that feels gourmet without the guilt. But here's why this snack matters. If you're working to lower your creatinine, your diet plays a huge role. Every choice adds up, and by reaching for something like this clean, plant-based, and kidney-conscious, you're taking charge of your health, one bite at a time. So the next time you're standing in the kitchen, wondering what to snack on, skip the chips. Grab a rice cake, mash some avocado, and feel good knowing that snack is doing something good for your body. You're not just eating, you're healing. Number 4. Blueberries, fresh or frozen. Let me tell you something, if you're not already eating blueberries, now is the perfect time to start. Whether they're fresh or frozen, these little berries are one of the best snacks you can eat to support your kidneys and help lower creatinine levels naturally. And the best part? They taste amazing. Sweet, juicy, and just the right amount of tart. But don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are tiny powerhouses when it comes to healing your body from the inside out. So what makes them so special for kidney health? First, they're loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. That's the compound that gives blueberries their deep blue color, and it plays a huge role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation is one of the hidden enemies of your kidneys. Over time, it causes damage that slows kidney function. But eating antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries helps protect your kidneys from that damage and keeps them working more efficiently. Another reason blueberries are so powerful: they're low in potassium, low in sodium, and low in phosphorus, three of the big nutrients kidney patients are told to watch out for. So you can snack on a handful without stressing your kidneys at all. And here's a little tip: frozen blueberries are just as healthy as fresh ones. In fact, sometimes they're even more nutritious because they're frozen right after being picked. So don't worry if fresh blueberries are out of season or too expensive. Grab a bag from the freezer aisle and toss a handful into oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them by the spoonful. This isn't about going on some strict, joyless diet. It's about choosing foods that actually nourish your kidneys while still tasting amazing. Blueberries give you that sweet fix without the guilt, and every time you eat them, you're doing something that brings your body closer to healing. So next time you're reaching for a snack, think blueberries. Small, simple, powerful, and your kidneys will thank you. Number 5. Air-popped popcorn, no salt, no butter. Now here's a snack that might surprise you: air-popped popcorn with no salt and no butter. That's right, popcorn isn't just for movie night. When it's prepared the right way, it can actually be a healthy, kidney-friendly snack you can enjoy regularly and feel really good about. Let's clear something up right away. I'm not talking about the bagged popcorn you throw in the microwave. Most of those are loaded with sodium, artificial flavorings, and unhealthy fats, definitely not what your kidneys need. But when you make popcorn at home using an air popper or a stovetop with no oil, you're getting a whole grain snack that's light, low in phosphorus and potassium, and super satisfying. Popcorn is naturally high in fiber, which helps support digestion and even blood sugar control, two things that have a direct impact on your kidney health. When your blood sugar is stable and your digestion is running smoothly, your kidneys don't have to work so hard to filter waste from the body. It's a win-win. And here's the great thing: you can dress it up with kidney-safe flavors. Want a savory taste? Sprinkle a little garlic powder or onion powder, just make sure they're salt-free. Craving something different? Try a dash of smoked paprika or nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the dairy. You can even go sweet by dusting on a pinch of cinnamon or cocoa powder. The possibilities are endless and still kidney-friendly. Now I know what you're thinking: can something this simple really help? And yes, it absolutely can. It's about making consistent, smart choices. Air-popped popcorn gives you that crunchy, comforting snack experience without the salt, fat, and additives that damage your kidneys. So next time you're tempted to reach for chips or processed snacks, pop a fresh bowl of air-popped popcorn instead. Sit back, relax, and know that you're doing something kind for your body. It's small steps like this that lead to real healing. Keep going, you're on the right track. Number 6. Boiled egg whites. All right, let's talk about one of the simplest, cleanest snacks you can make in minutes: boiled egg whites. Now I know that might not sound super exciting at first, but hear me out, because if you're serious about protecting your kidneys and lowering your creatinine, egg whites can be an absolute game changer. Here's why: egg whites are one of the purest forms of high-quality protein you can eat, and they come without the phosphorus and cholesterol found in the yolk. That's super important, especially for anyone with kidney issues. Your body still needs protein to maintain muscle and energy, but too much of the wrong kind can overload your kidneys. Egg whites give you just what you need, without the stuff you don't. And let's be real, sometimes when you're trying to eat healthier, snacks can get boring. But egg whites, they're surprisingly versatile. You can slice them up and sprinkle on a little garlic powder or smoked paprika, mash them into a protein-packed spread, or even mix them into a kidney-safe salad. And if you're someone who deals with morning fatigue or muscle weakness, this snack can give you a real lift without raising your sodium or potassium. Plus, boiled egg whites are so convenient. You can boil a batch at the beginning of the week, peel them, and keep them in the fridge for when hunger hits. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't have to overthink it. Just grab and go. And here's the best part: you're not just feeding your hunger, you're fueling your healing. Every time you choose something like egg whites over processed snacks or salty foods, you're giving your kidneys a break. You're saying, "I'm serious about my health." And that mindset? That's powerful. So if you're looking for a no-fuss, kidney-friendly snack that truly supports your goals, boiled egg whites might just become your new favorite. You've got this. Keep going, one smart choice at a time. Summary. So there you have it, 6 simple, safe, and science-backed snacks that can truly support your kidneys, help lower creatinine levels, and keep your energy steady throughout the day. And the best part? Every single one of them is easy to find, affordable, and actually tastes good. Remember, you don't have to make huge, overwhelming changes to see real results. It's the small, consistent choices like the snacks you reach for that make the biggest difference over time. And now you've got the knowledge to make those choices with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another kidney health tip. And if you know someone who could benefit from this, share this video. You just might change their life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not just managing your health, you're taking it back, one smart snack at a time. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.